All righty, so this is a session recap for the 28th day of February. Don't forget, we have a leap year this year, so tomorrow will actually still be February. Normally, this is the last day of the month, but today that is a different story, right? It's not quarter end, but it is month end, all right? So this is February. March, we'll have quarter end, and there will be a lot of selling as traders get out of trades for one purpose, so they can report to their clients how much money they made them this quarter. All right, so dollar index, we had a strong movement up and it's coming down pretty hard right now. But until we get proof of that, right now this is nothing more than a pullback. All right. Now, if we break down in this area here, pretty good chance that that is a reversal. All right. So what do we know? We don't know anything yet. All right. So MACD is coming down, but you're still officially a buyer. So you have to consider that's a pullback to keep going up again, but it hasn't been proven yet. All right. So euro dollar, what did it do? Went right down to its ATR to the pip and then gave it all back. So if you didn't know where it was, you gave it all back. All right. So let's go pull up the ATR here, and you can see that the ATR on the euro dollar is, get this nice and big. Euro dollar is 51 pips, so you can't even trade it anyway. Pound dollar, all right, pound dollar right to the pip to its ATR, and notice that one thing, it broke the channel here. See how it broke that channel line that I put on? That means that it's a high probability we're going to continue down. MACD is telling you that. If dollar keeps going up, then that's what you'd be looking for tonight, 64 pip ATR. Dollar Swissy, you can't trade it, but it gives us a hint, and you see it's doing exactly what the dollar index is doing. So dollar, we still got up, and target is up there at 88.35 up there, and dollar Swissy has a low ATR of only 50 pips. Dollar yen, all right, we're at the top here, all right? We do have room up here. If we break out here, I'll get rid of this now. If we break out up here, look for this tonight if we break up. But the higher probability with MACD already pointing down, and that's what is watch for the sell-off here. So we got it set for the sell-off. That's the ATR right now. We'd be looking at 150. The target would be 150 with a 76 pip ATR, down from 125. Wow, big difference, 50 pips. Aussie dollar to the pip to its ATR. Can't trade it because it's so low. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar are under 50 pips. Euro yen, all right, we're coming up here right now, and we're looking to see if we do a head and shoulders here for the sell. All right, you can see MACD, look at it. It's almost the same as the other chart. All right, so we'll see right now. It's almost to its ATR right now. That's where we get 55 pips. So watch for it to make the turn on a head and shoulders. All right, go. Hey, give me a second. I'll be right back to you. Give me 1 second. All right. All right. So I watch for this, but you know, don't discount another move up to the top right there. Now remember, this is our real estate of the week trade. So a turn here gives you the opportunity to trade it as a real estate of the week trade. And our target is way down here somewhere. I don't even know where it is. It's so far down there. Big trades to the downside if we get it. All right. All right. Over to Aussie yen. Can't trade Aussie yen either. The ATR is too low, only 51 pips. Can't trade euro pound, too low in ATR. It's only 27 pips. So we get over here to Euro Aussie, and Euro Aussie easily went to target last night with the alert and up to the next target. That's why you hold for the next target. Doesn't matter if it's 40 pips away, hold and you might get it. All right, so there you go. All right, you can see MACD says watch for the continuation up. All right, so Euro Aussie has an ATR of 82 pips. Watch for 82 pips to the upside tonight. Swiss yen, nice little currency. I'm getting to like it. There we go. There's the bounce. Anybody in this trade? How many people are in this? We talked about it. That's why we need the bounce. Did anybody get it? All right. Anybody in Swiss yen? Swiss yen. K is okay. Anybody else? K is the only one. Oh, Robin's in. Okay, so it's a live trade this morning. All right, so good job, everybody. Live trade up. We'll catch it tomorrow, see how you did. All right, there we go. See, notice they didn't move it until the barrier options expired. As soon as the barrier options expired, all right, why would they do that? It's 175, 171.25. As soon as that barrier option expired, they took off. You see that? So you saw it today. All right, that's why we wait until that happens. And there you go. So good job, everybody who did it. All right. See, we'll see if you did it, if it's going to work out. All right. So Swiss yen has an ATR 87 pips, pretty sweet. All right, let's go up here and find out where that is. All the way up here, 171.81, underway right now. Okay, watch this. You move your stop at the 1,000, move your stop at the day chart top, move your stop at the 1270 and hold for that, and then hold for the 1.618 right there. Nice job, everybody. All right, pound Aussie continues, it moved up, alert last night, and traders did make about 100 pips on it last night, not too bad. Pound Aussie is 110 pip ATR, right? So it's basically over right now. As you can see, I'm in it, and I'm doing well. I got my stop move, so I can't lose, but we'll see. All right, so watch for 110 pips to the upside tonight. Euro New Zealand, all right, also easily went to its ATR, did double its ATR. Why? Because we had a catalyst and it was the fundy last night, all right? Still moving up, all right? So it could still move way up there. Euro New Zealand, 100 pip ATR, and ATR is going to go up tonight because of all that extra movement there. All right, so watch for 110 pips, 100 pips up, even higher, all right? Same thing here on pound New Zealand, right up to its ATR, continued up another 100 pips or so. And pound New Zealand has 132 pips. It'll start going up, probably be 140 tonight. All right. So we don't have 140 pips up here though. So watch that. And you're also putting in tops right here. So watch for the sell-off. All right. Not here yet. All right. New Zealand yen, we can't trade it either because it's got too low an New Zealand yen we can. Sorry. It's got 60 pips, still hard to trade, but it easily went to target. Now, nothing to do. We're in the bottom of the channel. There's not a thing we can do down here. All right. So it may just keep working its way on this channel, but they're working the channel, as you can see. All right. How do we know that channel was right? Because they proved the heart line here. See, and now they said, and by the way, you were right. See that? You don't prove the heart line. Don't prove the heart line. You don't know that this is right. See? All right. You're guessing. That's not trading. All right. Finally, pound Swissy. Pound Swissy got a low ATR, but it's at 54 pips, and it may go up a little bit. Maybe, well, who knows? All right, we still got a target down here at 1.1098, and there's no 55 pips left, so there's nothing to do. But if we pull up into here again and maybe make the turn, you may get it to the downside. All right, there we go.